So let's say you have a large data in a list and you want to filter some data out of it. Okay? And you can have same condition. So this condition would be values greater than 500, values less than 0, values multiples of 5, values not multiples of 5. That's the condition. So you have entire, lot of values, and from that list, I want values which matches my criteria. Okay, which matches my criteria. So you have the entire data, set, and you want a subset of it, right? If all the values matches the criteria, you'll have all the values in the new list. If none of them matches, you'll have none, right? If some of them matches, you'll have some, right? So basically, the output will be, okay, output list will have values less than the original list, right? Okay, if all matches, then at max you can have same size. Okay. So that's the purpose of filter. Filter, we are trying to filter out, okay, based on some condition. Okay. So let's say I have let's do multiples of 5. Okay, so let's say I have list 3 which has like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 25, 28, 30, 40. Okay, so this is list and these are the values here. I want multiples of 5. That means from this list, I want to filter out which are not multiples of 5. Right? I want to filter out which are not multiples of 5. Right? I want only multiples of 5. Okay. So that means filter out those which are not multiples of 5. So how do you write lambda function? Lambda function, you take input x, right? And we want multiples of 5, isn't it?
Yes.
So I'm going to say x modulo 5. Okay, whichever are true will remain, and whichever are not true, false, will get filtered out. Okay, so lambda input x and okay, x modulo 5. X modulo 5 will either give you true or false, isn't it? So 2 modulo 5 false, 4 modulo 5 false. No. Modulo will give you only the remainder, right?
Yes, sir.
I want to check is equal to 0.
0, yeah.
Right? So equal to 0 we have to check, right? So if this is equal to 5 only, it will be true, right? Modulo 5 will not be true. X modulo 5 okay, equal to 0. This would be true, right? So in map, we are talking about return value in the lambda function, which will give us the output. Here we have to calculate the situation or calculate the conditions as that it remains true. So it will lambda will apply, when I say filter will apply same logic on entire data set, and the values which returns true will be filtered and shown, which we go false will not be shown to us. Okay, so how to do that? Filter. Okay, filter. Okay, and I'm going to pass the data set here, which is ls. That's it. Now again, the result will be object. So we need to convert it into list. Okay. So now when I print filtered value, you will get So see 10, 15, 20, 25, whichever return true will be shown to us, will be given to us, whichever give false, removed.
Sorry.
No problem. We are doing simple things today. Okay. So, okay, this is how you will filter out the values. Okay. So let's continue. How you can filter out values, right? You want to filter out values which are above average. Let's say you have cricket players' scores, right? And you want to see which players have scored more than the average, right? You can calculate the average and you can simply say here x greater than, right? X greater than average. Okay. So, like for example, here I want to see x more than say 18. Let's say average is 18. I want to see values which are more than 18. So I'm going to say x greater than equal to 18. So we'll get all the values which are greater than 18, right? Greater than equal to 18, right? Okay. So that's the use of filter.